Apolosign PackGo screen. Modern life seems incomplete without smartphones or tablets. These gadgets have taken over TVs, computers, and even gaming consoles. Yet, there are times when you want to watch a new movie or play an intense shooter on a larger screen. That's where PackGo screen steps in. It's like an Android computer hidden inside a sturdy white case. When put together, the screen is well protected from drops and knocks, making it perfect for travel. You can operate it with a remote or through the touchscreen. Glyph. Not everyone enjoys watching movies on a computer screen. It's much nicer to kick back on the sofa in front of a big TV. While VR headsets promise an immersive experience, the wide viewing angle can feel like sitting in the front row at IMAX. But fear not, the personal home theater Glyph is here to solve all those issues. It looks like a pair of headphones with a bulky headband, but it's hiding all the good stuff inside. Two HD screens plunge you into the darkness of the theater, while the 115 dB speakers deliver rich, deep sound. There are no wires to restrict your movement either, powered by a rechargeable battery. One charge lasts for 3 hours, just enough for 2 screenings of Tommy Wiseau's The Room. The Glyph is priced at $499. COVI. As smart home technology becomes more common, you'll find it in more and more apartments. Even big stores have special sections for lamps, kettles, and air conditioners that you can control with your smartphone or a centralized remote. COVI Project is a voice assistant that'll do whatever you ask, from turning things on to adjusting settings. It'll even double as an alarm clock if you need it. What's neat about COVI is that it's also a lamp. So who wouldn't want one in their home? Plus, you can adjust the light tone from warm to bright white. You can connect it to your computer or mobile devices via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. It's priced at just $99. RaceMouse. When it comes to a computer to travel with, we think of laptops. And when it comes to a mouse, why bother when most laptops have touchpads? But let's face it, scrolling through large documents or working with images and videos using a touchpad can be really cumbersome. That's where the new RaceMouse comes in handy. It's a small, flat mouse that fits right into your shirt pocket. The manufacturers confidently compare it to similar products like the Magic Mouse, the Lenovo Yoga, and the Arc Mouse. And they found that their mouse weighs less, lasts longer, and syncs with all operating systems. Plus, it even has a built-in laser pointer for presentations. Plus, it's the cheapest of them all, priced at just $29. Mjolnir Ti. A true man should sport either a bear tooth around his neck when he wrestled himself or a Mjolnir pendant. The creators of this startup seriously pondered which item would be most handy in a dangerous situation. Their conclusion: a sharp, durable blade. It's cleverly concealed with a sheath designed to resemble a Viking amulet. If you fancy, you can even get it engraved with runes. This blade slices through seatbelts in just 4 strokes. They also offer a version with a built-in lighter. So whether you're in dark alleys or deserted islands, the Mjolnir Ti is your go-to. Prices start at $98. Timekettle X1. The Timekettle X1 earbuds may look a bit bulkier compared to your usual Apple, Honor, or JBL earbuds, but there's a good reason for that. They pack some incredible features. They can translate speech from different languages with almost no delay. The Timekettle X1 supports 40 languages and 93 accents. They're capable of handling conferences with up to 20 participants speaking 5 different languages. The case isn't just a box with a tiny battery, it's also a command center with a bright display that shows text transcripts of words and sentences, along with additional indicators like the language being spoken by the person. No more slipping out of meetings with the excuse, "I don't understand anything." The price of the Timekettle X1 is around $710. Our 2D2 moving refrigerator. Star Wars fans, listen up. In Japan, they've come up with a fridge that looks just like the Astromech Droid or 2D2. Unlike regular fridges, this one's got wheels and even communicates in its own language. But don't worry, it's controlled with a remote. Besides the freezer, it's got a tiny projector cleverly disguised as its single eye, just like in the movies. And hidden under the plastic casing are speakers that make those familiar beeping noises. So if you don't learn to understand your fridge, you won't become a Chewbacca. But be prepared to shell out at least $7,000 for your very own R2D2. MYNYMAL PC. When thinking of small rectangular computers, Apple's Mac Mini often comes to mind. However, it may soon face competition from the MYNYMAL PC. These PCs are crafted in cube shapes, mimicking natural materials like marble or wood. Inside the box, you'll find a powerful CPU, an 8-core AMD processor, 32 GB of DDR4 RAM, and a speedy SSD. Naturally, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are included. While these computers don't come with a dedicated